Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Up until now, we have been talking about a lot of ways you can adopt to start earning money online, be it active income or passive income. Besides the high success rates of these methods, they still require some effort to be put in. They are businesses or errands that you must run yourself. Well, not everyone has easy access to the internet or enough time to start earning through those methods. So in today's video, we will be talking about the easiest hustle-free methods to build up your income that is an investment. Yes, you heard it right. There are people like Warren Buffett and Mark Lichtenfeld who have been trying to convince people for years that the secret to the best retirement plan lies in stock investing. Today, we're going to be talking about the 5 top stocks you can invest in right now. The best part of this video is that we have done all the background analysis for you, and we will not be throwing statistics in your face. Instead, we will try our best to explain the reason to buy these stocks, which is understandable for anyone whether he or she is part of a financial stream or not. So, let us get started, and make sure you stay until number 1 as you do not want to miss what this stock is. Number 5, Amazon. Amazon is an American worldwide innovation organization situated in Seattle that centers around online business, distributed computing, advanced streaming, and man-made consciousness. It is viewed as one of the large 4 innovation organizations alongside Google, Apple, and Microsoft. It has been alluded to as one of the most persuasive monetary and social powers on the planet, as well as the world's most important brand. Amazon is known for its disturbance of entrenched enterprises through mechanical advancement and mass scale. It is the world's biggest online commercial center, computer-based intelligence right-hand supplier, live streaming stage and distributed computing platform, as estimated by income and market capitalization. Amazon is the biggest web organization by income in the world. It is the second biggest private business in the United States and one of the world's most important organizations. Reason to invest in Amazon. The background of Amazon tells us enough about why it is important to invest in this brand right now. Even a global pandemic like that of COVID-19 has not been able to affect its revenue and stock market position. The estimate of the company's progress can be made from the fact that it had 17,000 employees in 2007, which rose to 798,000 employees in 2019, which is more than 45 times an increase, and no doubt the growth of Amazon over the years has been insane. Now, people usually think that it is better to invest in companies that are new and have a greater capacity for growth, but in the case of Amazon, you do not need to worry since it owns over 40 subsidiaries, including Goodreads, IMDb, Twitch, Zappos, and Audible. So, it shows that the company has a lot of progress and work on for years, and buying a stock right now will be of much worth later. Number 4, PayPal. PayPal is an American company operating a worldwide online payment system that supports online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders. The company operates as a payment processor for online vendors, auction sites, and many other commercial users, for which it charges a fee in exchange for benefits such as one-click transactions and password memory. The company ranked 204th on the 2009 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by revenue. Reason to invest in PayPal. We are always talking about the era of technological advancements, which is extremely important to keep in view while planning for anything these days. So that's why PayPal is one of the best stocks to invest in, since the future of this digital banking company is very bright. As the world is shifting towards digital marketplaces and companies are preferring global reach instead of local reach, the day is not far that the banks will be wiped off. In such circumstances, consumers will be, and even today, are shifting towards a trustable digital marketing company, and fortunately, PayPal has attained consumers' trust over the years. In a 2019 report, PayPal owned assets of $51.333 billion with a revenue generation of US $17.772 billion. The subsidiaries of PayPal include Braintree, Paydiant, Honey, Venmo, PayPal Credit, and Zoom Corporation. Also in 2020, PayPal has gained over 1 million users, with new users being added every single day. We hope these facts are enough to convince you on why PayPal has made the list of top 5 stocks to invest in right now. Number 3, Alibaba. Alibaba Group Holding Limited is a Chinese multinational technology company specializing in e-commerce, retail, internet, and technology. The company provides consumer-to-consumer, business-to-consumer, and business-to-business sales service via web portals, as well as electronic payment services, shopping search engines, and cloud computing services. It owns and operates a diverse array of businesses around the world in numerous sectors. It is one of the top 10 most valuable and the 59th biggest public companies in the world, according to the Global 2000 list. In January 2018, Alibaba became the second Asian company to break the US $500 billion valuation mark. As of 2018, Alibaba has the 9th highest global brand valuation. Reason to invest in Alibaba.com. Alibaba is the world's largest retailer and e-commerce company, is on the list of the largest internet companies and artificial intelligence companies, is one of the biggest venture capital firms and one of the biggest investment corporations in the world. The company hosts the largest B2B, Alibaba.com, C2C, Taobao, and B2C marketplaces in the world. Its online sales and profits surpassed all US retailers, including Walmart, Amazon, and eBay, combined since 2015. It has been expanding into the media industry, with revenues rising by triple percentage points year after year. It also set the record on the 2018 edition of China's Singles Day, the world's biggest online and offline shopping day. The statistics show that the revenue and stock market position of Alibaba.com has been unaffected due to the global pandemic of COVID-19. This shows the company's status and the probability and bright future it has. With the world stepping into an era of e-commerce, Alibaba, with its reputation of years, will gain the trust of many companies. The assets of Alibaba.com in 2020 have been estimated to be $185.429 billion US. Though the stocks will be expensive as compared to other companies out there, they will be worth investing in. Now, we have talked about 3 companies or organizations out there who are doing great and are vulnerable to even more success in the coming years. In other words, risk-free long-term investments. However, have you ever realized that the entire purpose of investment in stock is to generate a greater revenue? So, now we are mentioning 2 stocks that are a little down due to COVID-19, but are promising in many aspects and are suspected to generate a great revenue over time. Number 2, US Bancorp. US Bancorp is an American bank holding company based in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and incorporated in Delaware. It is a parent company of US Bank National Association and is on the list of largest banks in the United States. The company provides banking, investment, mortgage, trust, and payment services products to individuals, businesses, governmental entities, and other financial institutions. It has 3,106 branches and 4,842 ATMs, primarily in the Western and Midwestern United States. It is ranked 117th on the Fortune 500. The company also owns Elavon, a credit card issuer that issues credit card products to US Bank and other financial institutions. Reason to invest in US Bancorp. We will not go into deep details about the statistics, but we'll present before you the ground facts. So, the number one fact is, despite the international banking revenues dropping in the stock market, US Bancorp has still managed to sustain a close revenue to its actual worth, which proves that the bank has the capability and assets to fall back on and that it's keeping its ground in these harsh times. The bonus point is that the crown investor, yes, you guessed it right, Mr. Warren Buffett, shares some stocks of US Bancorp and, well, we all have to admit that that man has got some real financial magic going on. If he is investing in this domain, then there must be a reason for it. Also, the best part is that due to the current downfall, the stocks are selling at a lower price, so it is the best time to invest in or buy these stocks before they rise to the sky again. Number 1, Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is an American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in the United States. The company is known for its control and leadership by Warren Buffett. Berkshire owns a diverse range of businesses including confectionery, retail, railroads, home furnishings, encyclopedias, manufacturers of vacuum cleaners, jewelry sales, manufacture and distribution of uniforms, and several regional electric and gas utilities. According to the Forbes Global 2000 list and formula, Berkshire Hathaway is the 8th largest public company in the world, the 10th largest conglomerate by revenue, and the largest financial services company by revenue in the world. As of April 2020, Berkshire's Class B stock is the 8th largest component of the S&P 500 index, which is based on free float market capitalization, and the company is famous for having the most expensive share price in history, with Class A shares costing around $300,000 each. This is because there has never been a stock split in its Class A shares. Reasons to invest in Berkshire Hathaway. Well, there are several reasons to buy a Berkshire Hathaway stock immediately, but before you do, you may want to see these facts. The company wholly owns Geico, Duracell, Dairy Queen, BNSF, Lubrizol, Fruit of the Loom, Helzberg Diamonds, Long & Foster, Flight Safety International, Pampered Chef, Forest River, and NetJets, and also owns 38.6% of Pilot Flying J, and significant minority holdings in US public companies, Kraft Heinz Company, 26.7%, American Express, 17.6%, Wells Fargo, 9.9%, the Coca-Cola Company, 9.32%, Bank of America, 6.8%, and Apple, 5.2%. Beginning in 2016, the company acquired large holdings in major US airline carriers, namely United Airlines, Delta Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and American Airlines, but sold all of its airline holdings in early 2020. So basically, Uncle Warren knew what was coming. Just kidding. But honestly, it's the entire point. We mean, it is Warren Buffett's company, and do you think he does not know what he is doing? The best part is that due to the latest drop in the stock market, the shares are selling at a little less price than usual, so it is the best time to play your cards and buy some of the stocks. We hope we have helped you with this video. While you are here, go ahead and click one of those two videos on your screen. See you there.